Hey there, folks. I'm Jay Crawford of artmong.com. Pretty much every day I go to CSS Battle Dev, do the daily target, and record myself doing it. Let's do that now. Oh, look at that. Well, that's great. I think we go with a single paragraph element. I think that the border on whatever this guy is singular. Okay, so we have two parts. So the first is, you will be not surprised whatsoever, a conic gradient. Okay, on the background. So we want conic. We do basically a cross. That's it. Zero up in the corner, and then it's, well, so we do a rare measure. 260 pixels. And I know that we can we measure? See, I don't know. Is it? There we go. Uh, that is. That's by pressing Shift. I can get the other measure. 180. Okay, 260, 180, and then we do. The colors are white, and it is pure white, 75%, and then this color here, 0, and that is close, close, but not quite there. I must have the numbers wrong. It's actually 270. Okay. And it's just 290, 90, 200. Okay. And then we need an at value. At right now it's at 50%, 50%. Let's see if we can adjust those percentages to make it right. 1, 2, 3, 2. Oh, and more. So let's get this out of them. Or maybe we want to do that for, okay. So I want a rarity. I usually try to finish exactly what I'm trying to do before I move on to the next part. But in this case, I'm not going to do that. 57, 5, 6, 8, 9, 70. Okay. So I want no background, but I do want a border, solid, 40 pixels, and then blue. Okay. And is it more like 50, 60, 70, and then in the height 10, 20? Okay. This is where we stand. All right, now what we want is so here, no repeat is the magic technique to, hey, let's make sure we've got this correct. And I'm going to use pixels. 100 pixels, 50 pixels. So 120, 30, 40, and then 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20. And then I'm going to add a contrasting color so that I really know what I'm doing. Okay, so it's 280 wide. No, it's 260. Ha ha ha. I corrected in the wrong direction. So that exposes the problem. 110, 210. Oh, and then this is 190, 180. Okay, now when I let this repeat and remove red, I should have it. There we go. So again, no repeat when you're trying to get that what the repeating gradient is, you're never going to go wrong by adding no repeat. You just want to do one of them and then let it repeat. In this case, we go up in the upper corner. Now, it's not intuitive, but you can also add numbers here and move the whole thing over. So if I move it over 260 pixels, it's identical. And in fact, if I double that again, what would that be? 520? That's the same again. Because it's you can subtract out or basically do the modulo, so that the remainder from the division of whatever this value of whatever number you come up to here and get it. And actually, a negative number would be the same thing. If I do negative 260 pixels, does that work? Yeah, that's the same thing. So yeah, that's a little reminder about background position. And in this case, we're dealing with the background position X. All right. Other changes we could make. Let's minify. More changes. I think we can change this body to an ampersand. And unit replacement, which we did not do. We got 140, 120, 180 pixels. And that turns into 35 VW, 65 VW, 45 VW. Again, those are dependent on the width, which is 400 pixels. So if you had a different width, these stop working, but the pixel values will always work in this case. And then the targets are always 400 by 300. So, but you knew that already. Okay, final submission. All done. Thanks for watching. Kind of on the hot side here in Southern California. Nice weather, but a little warm. But you know, it's fun. Uh, hope you're having good weather. I know there are places with bad weather. The world continues to be the world. Be good to yourself. Be good to each other. Go make a webpage, and I'll see you again if you want to.